Hi, 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 ho, everybody. Robert Jones back in the Tasty Kitchen today, and today I just have a quick one for you today. It's something I'm very excited about. It is the Frico Grab-and-Go Snacks all-natural Gouda cheese. Now, you can say Gouda if you're in America, but I got corrected that it's Gouda when I was in the Netherlands a couple years ago. So, Gouda to you, or howdy do. But here we go. Okay, so we got Frico. These guys sent me this cheese the other day. It came in a nice styrofoam thing with the cold packs on it and everything else. Now, I was just looking at them again to make sure I know what I'm talking about. They are the same. So it's 2 packets of the same one. So I'm just going to hold one now that you know that they are the same. Okay, so this is the Frico Grab-and-Go Snacks. It's just a quick taste test today, so I just have one thing. It says all natural Gouda cheese, mild and creamy, 5 grams of protein, 70 calories, and they come in individual sticks inside here, so that's pretty smart of them. Let's see, it says our heritage dates back to 1898 with a small group of dairy farmers in Holland. Today, our experienced cheesemakers continue to use the same centuries-old traditional methods, fresh milk, to craft a wide range of premium quality cheeses. Today, we're only tasting one. The result is the taste quality that has made Frico cheeses, I think it's Frico, is it Frico or Frico? Cheeses loved in more than 90 countries around the world. Oh, that's interesting. It says imported from Holland. So this is from Holland. It's got a Best Buy sticker over the thing I need to read. Let's see, try this one. Okay, it also says, ingredients: pasteurized cow's milk, salt, cheese culture, and microbial enzymes. Contains milk. Hey! This is a product of Holland from Amzerfruit. Amzerfruit. F-O-O-R-T. Fruit. That sounds difficult for me to say. Mrs. Okay, it says 1 serving size, 1 snack is 20 grams, 8 servings per container, so that's why they're in the little paquettes, and it's 70 calories. So, yeah. All right, I don't know what this retails for. Doesn't tell me, I didn't know. But, you know what I got? Snappy, snappy! All right, let's give it a snippy here. I'm excited. I've never seen Gouda cheese in the little packs like this before. Let's give it an unzip. And does it have a smell? No, it just smells like glass. Well, it smells like the dairy case when you go to the grocery store. Okay, so you can see they are little packets, and they look like this. How cute is that? How cute is that? Little, all right, so it's a little packet, just a little cheese. It looks like it has a pull-aparty thing. Yes, it does. Has a little pull-aparty thing. Pull-aparty. What kind of party are you having? I'm having a pull-aparty. All right, so pull this open. Try not to touch the cheese so I can smell it. Not a strong smell, not a cheddar or something like that. A very light smell. It is just white cheese. That's nice. For not having a lot of smell, it definitely has a whole punch of flavor. So it's soft, like a mild cheddar or a jack cheese or something like that. I'm taking a little bite. Just a little bit. It's quite salty. It'd be really good if I was eating this with an apple, like apple, cheese bite, apple, cheese bite. It's very rich. It's got a lot of creaminess to it. I really like that a lot. And you know what I do like a lot? It's not in that damn wax thing that's really hard to get open. Now, I know plastic's not the best for the environment, but it is very convenient. So whoever created this, bravo on easy packaging. I thought, when I looked at this at first, I thought, that looks really small. I mean, it's probably 1 centimeter thick, so, like 1/3 of an inch by maybe 2 inches long. So was it 4 or 5 centimeters? And I thought, that looks really small. But now that I'm eating it, I've had those 2 little bites. I'll have another little bite. It's quite satisfying. Okay, I'm going to put that down so I can actually talk. Really creamy. I like the salty punch. It's obviously cheese, so it's going to have that cheesiness to it. But it doesn't have a sharp flavor. It has a little bit of a punch. And I think This would be really great on a grilled cheese sandwich as well. So, but I do like the fact that you could pop these in your lunch or just take a one or two for a snack for the day. So there you go. Okay, you guys. So just a quick one today. So this is the Frico, and this is the Gouda or Gouda, whatever you want to call it, depending on which country you are. And so thank you to Frico. They sent these out to me to try, and I appreciate that. So this is not a sponsored video, but they did send these to me. So I want to be clear about where the stuff is coming from, so you guys know. If you want to make it rain cash on me, please let me know that too. But it's not sponsored. Anyway, thanks Frico, and I really enjoyed your cheese. I would definitely look for these. I don't know what the retail is, but you'll be able to find them, I'm sure. All right, you guys, I'm Robert Jones. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Come on back for more of this deliciousness. All right, you guys, take care. See you next time. Bye.